When it comes to borrowing loan or requesting for a loan online, there are different reasons and different points you actually need to look into before you proceed on to borrow a loan online. And there are tons of apps online that you can actually use to borrow a loan, and each of these apps have their own terms and conditions. In this video, we are going to be looking out to top 5 reliable loan apps you can actually trust in Nigeria when you actually want to borrow a loan online. And I will also look into the reasons and why these apps are being chosen in this video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So going on to the 5 trusted loan apps in Nigeria, I also found that there are some loan apps that will ask you to drop your BV in some properties before you can actually request for a loan on the platform. And there are some other loan apps that will also have access to your contact in case you don't pay their money back as at when you promise to pay back. So they will contact all your contact list on your mobile phone, and they will message them or call them that you borrow a loan on their platform and you are yet to pay back, and they will tell the person that they called that they should help them get in touch with you, which sounds ridiculous to many people, and they are looking out for another way to find another app to use to get a loan when they actually need the money. So that's just by the way when you are trying to look for online money loan apps on Nigeria. So but then we have to look into these 5 trusted loan apps so that you're able to pick one of them anytime you actually want to request for a loan online. So the number 1 loan app which we'll be looking at in this video, Okash. Okash is one of the fast rising loan apps and reliable loan apps here in Nigeria, and it was funded by Blue Bridge Microfinance Bank Limited, and it was also topping on Google Play Store at when I'm recording this video. And the app also have over 4.3 rating with almost 100,000 reviews on the platform, and as well as over 1 million downloads on the Play Store. They also grant a loan for up to like 500,000 naira if you are looking out to borrow a loan for a business. Maybe you actually want to start a business online or anywhere, or physical business, and you are looking for a startup capital to use or to start your business. So starting with Okash to get a loan to fund your business will be a great idea for you. And there are some other things you actually need to look into when you actually want to request for a loan on Okash. So the loan tenor also valid from 91 days to 365 days, which is a year, and the interest rate is within 0.1% to 1%. And this also valued to how much you're actually requesting on these loan apps. But trust me, if you actually want to borrow a loan for a personal use, I would just advise you to borrow a loan within 33,000 to 100,000, which you know that you'll be able to pay back as soon as possible. And if you are looking out to borrow a loan for a business, so you can go ahead and borrow a loan from 500,000 and choose the best time you actually want to pay back, which is between maybe 200 days to 365 days, which is a year. So you will know that at least within the next 6 months you should be able to gather up your capital for that business, and then you'll be able to pay back the loan you requested for on this app. So that is just for the Okash, and they are well trusted. And you can also scroll down to their app and see the review that people actually dropping on their app, so you definitely know what people are saying about this particular app, so that then you know if this app is the right for you to borrow your next loan. Number 2 is Fair Money. Fair Money is a great app. I have to say this, like, it's stopping, and the way people are actually dropping a review about the app is really amazing. So Fair Money has over 4.4 reviews overall rating on the Google Play Store, with close to 500,000 reviews, as you can see, and they have over 5 million downloads already. And you know, not everyone that download apps on Play Store will definitely like to drop a review about a particular app. And there are some people that will just download the app, and once they see maybe the interest rate, or they just lose interest on borrowing loan again, so they just feel like just have to download without dropping any review. So that's just by the way. So Fair Money is also a reliable loan app, as it was stated, and this app was among the top 5 loan apps in Nigeria as I'm recording this video. So they are well trusted, and you can borrow your next loan from them. So they don't ask for much details when you actually want to borrow a loan, most especially if you are borrowing a personal loan. And if you need a loan for a business, I would just advise you to just drop in everything this you have to drop, so that you'll be able to grant loan access as soon as possible. And you can also borrow a loan from 1,500 to 1 million naira, and repayment period started from 61 days to 18 months, which is even over a year. And this also depends on how much you actually requesting for, how much loan you want to get for your personal needs or for a business purpose. And the interest rate started from 2.5% to 30%. And don't forget, it also lies under the amount of loan you're actually requesting for. Okay, so you can see what I'm actually talking about is under top 10 loans, but based on the website I see the review, so it was under top 5. So this just based on Google Play Store analysis, so it was on the top 7 under finance app in Nigeria as I'm recording this video as well. So you can also scroll down to the apps and see what people are actually talking about on this app. As you can see, the overall rating used to be 5.0, so the app 4.4. So you can check if the app will give you everything you actually need and why you actually want to borrow a loan on mobile app. So just take a look at them and see what you can actually get from them. That is just for the number 2 loan apps, like reliable loan apps in Nigeria today. Number 3 is Carbon. You have been hearing about Carbon apps, Carbon paying savings, loan, bills, and all. Like, they have a lot of features in there, and trust me, there is a lot of features on Carbon which you actually can't wait to get. So Carbon also gives you access to borrowing loan, paying bills, recharging airtime and NEPA bills, and maybe the STV or data, reselling stuff, as well as saving money on the app. So they also have overall rating of 4.4 rating, and then with close to 130,000 reviews on their app, as well as 1 million plus downloads, so which make it so great as well. So Carbon also offer a loan of up to like 1 million naira, as this is actually lies to your account credit score, how much you save, how much your account receive on a monthly basis, and you can also save and earn up to 15.5% on your savings and investment on the app. So the loans work within 24/7, and there is no late fees as well. So free fund transfer to any Nigerian bank account. So this is just like, I don't know if you know about Kuda Bank. So it's a free account, and there is a limit to what you can actually transfer, and once you reach that limit, they will charge you some certain amount of fee, maybe 10 naira per transaction. So I think that's very much available than all these Nigerian banking apps. So if you are looking out to borrow a loan online, so Carbon is one of the great apps you can actually use to borrow a loan online. You can also scroll down to check their reviews that people actually drop about the app, so you know if they are best to what you actually need them for. Number 4, Branch. Branch has been a great loan app, and it's been a while on the internet stuff, as well as it also reached out to more than Nigeria on its own and some other African countries as well. So as you can see here, the overall rating is 4.5, which are getting close to 1 million reviews with over 10 million downloads. This is not joking at all. So Branch loan app offer a loan from 2,000 naira to 500,000 naira, and you can also borrow or pay back within 91 days to 365 days as well. Then the interest rate started from 2% to 20% of the amount you borrow on the platform, and this is also under how much you actually want to borrow or how much you borrow. Then the interest rate will be listed to you that okay, this is the amount you have to pay back as at when you choose to pay back, and filling up to pay as at when the interest rate will definitely accumulate to another extra month. So but the best thing is just to make sure you pay back as at when you actually agreed on to pay back their loan, so that you'll be able to have access to more loan after paying the first one you borrowed on the platform. Number 5, Palm Credit. Palm Credit is an instant loan app in Nigeria, and it's also a great app for someone who is actually looking for a loan for their business. So they also have over 5 million downloads on the Play Store, and then 4.2 rating, as well as over 174,000 reviews on Play Store. They also grant instant loan for up to like 10,000 naira to 300,000 naira with a flexible repayment between 91 days to 365 days. And it's also stated that they don't charge any collateral, no paperwork. They are very secure and reliable if you actually want to request for a loan for personal use or for business purpose. So they also updated the app as of 5 days ago, which also give more access to some features, and if you want to recharge, pay some bills as well. So this app also topping the top 10 under the top 10 loan apps in Nigeria under finance as well. So you can trust this app and you can request for your next loan on Palm Credit and any of these apps which I have listed in this video. And my quick advice for you anytime you actually want to borrow a loan online is to make sure that anything you're actually using the loan for is something that is more tangible, that you know that you'll be able to get your money back and also pay back the platform, because they are also running a business and you have to pay back so that you can maintain the platform. So this is what I have for you in this video, and if you have any questions regarding any of this app, can you drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Peace.